old idiot. Yes, man.
Babes, alright, babes, I'm sorry, you see me? Just call me so we can talk. Hey, baby, what's up? Call me. Babes, me call you 3 times already. Hey, Depan. Yo, baby, link me back now, please. Please, you see me? Me I'll text you. Just link me back. Hey, girl, where the bumbo you Depan?
Call yo.
Sorry, babes, me never mean for raise my voice. You know say me love you. Call me, see? Babes, me know say you have your phone. Me just see you post a picture on Instagram. Call me now. Pick up before you rascal! Alright, babes, sorry for raising my voice again. Call me, please. Babes, baby, honey, sweetie pie. If you know what good, you pick up the phone here. Yeah, you know what? Fuck off. Delete me number to your phone. Delete me from your Facebook. Delete me about everything. Don't link me again. Don't contact me again. Alright. I joke me make. Nobody delete me. If you do that, I go mad. Babes, call me now, please. Babes, call me now. Say, babe, please call me. So, just what me do. Babes, I'm me again. Why y'all do this to me? Hey, girl, you better pick up the phone before me sprinkle courage in all of your panty seat. Them no ramp with me, you know. Oh, so you not pick up the phone. Me know, so you get me ping too, you know, cause they say R. R means say red. Bitch, if you not pick up the phone every morning for the next year, me a shit on your doorstep. Oh, so you tweet. I don't have time to answer man call. Fuck off. I hope you get your period every day for 1 whole month. You know what? No. Frick that. I hope you don't see your period. Hashtag you breed. Me know you're not there your parents here because me just call over there. Yo, you better call me back, you know? You better call me back, yeah? So tell me so you find the next man already. Jeez and peace. Yo, babes, I joke me to make you call me back, please. Bitch, alright, babes, you don't have to answer your phone, but just please not tell nobody say me itty. This is getting too crazy. Think it, believe it, I live to achieve it.
Old idiot. Yes, man.